Hey folks, and welcome to a massive 99-cent only store haul. This is a really massive haul because the multiples I couldn't even put on the table because there are so many things here. There was just so many. There's a lot going on, guys. I've got it all compact and compiled because I want to stay in this area of where I normally record. So let's just jump right on into it. Welcome, newbies. This is 99-cent only store haul. One of the hauls I do on my channel of many different things. It's a store called 99-cent store for where you can find name brand things that you like, things that are not name brand that are, work and taste good and all that good stuff for only 99 cents or close to 99 cents because it's not only 99 cents anymore. However, my folks, welcome back, folks. Are y'all ready? I haven't had one this large in a very, very, very long time. So let's go ahead and jump right into it for the things that are not food. I always start with the things that are not food items first. Let's go ahead and just jump into it. This is regular baking soda right here for odors, washing, cleaning. You can't go wrong with baking soda. You should keep it in your house. Baking soda is not really expensive anywhere else, but it was actually only 79 cents. Sean, that's real loud. Real loud. Right here. Only 79 cents per box. Frosty looking paper straws. These were 99 cents a pack. But they also had, I came across a 24 pack for only 99 cents as well. I've got a setup here for $1.99. This is a brand, It's a Party. This is a new brand to the 99-cent store, but I am really loving what they're providing in the sense of just decor, holiday stuff, party stuff. It's really cool. This, as you can see, 3-tier situation here was only $1.99. Meal plan containers we get here. This is a 10 count for $2.99. This is not a bad price. They used to have a 12 count, but now it went down to 10. Great things never last. $10, I still feel that it's worth for $2.99 for lunches and things like meals that leave the house and sometimes don't return. Those are the best things to use right there for $2.99 for a 10 count. Okay. You guys know how I love the Repack brand of Ziploc bags. These are the gallon bags, the holiday limited edition gallon bags. I always get their bags. This is a 15 count for 99 cents. 15 gallon size bags for 99 cents with a cute little holiday thing there. We rotate our toothbrushes often. We've got 3 Thomas toothbrushes. We've got 3 little boys who rotate toothbrushes this size. 99 cents for the 3 Thomas toothbrushes. Y'all know that Smoke and Mirrors brand. Really cute, really nice. 99 cents a piece. They've got a new velvet texture lip gloss and new packaging. Also, some pigment glitter. This is a beautiful copper golden falling star. That's the name of it, as you can see. 99 cents a piece. You guys know I do some beauty things here on my channel. If you want to see more information about the beauties and stuff like that, I'll link the video below of where I go into detail about the Smoking Mirrors 99-cent store cosmetics. Okay? I do believe that is it for non-food items. So as you can see these here, 12 count good thin sweet potato. This is easily a $12 buy from Sam's. This 12 pack was only $1.99. Okay, that's why there's 3 boxes sitting right here because they were only $1.99 a piece. Oh, let me rewind just a little bit. Look how gorgeous these little leaves. I wish I would have saw more, but I only saw these 2. Now that I think about it, and they were 99 cents a piece. These really pretty little silver leaf stem things here. Oh my gosh. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm probably going to go to a different 99-cent store just to see if I can find more of those because they are very, very beautiful. Okay, so let's come down and around. The children normally snack on things while they're in there. Earth's Best organic mango, carrot, and yogurt made with coconut oil. 99 cents for this pouch. 99 cents for the Snapple drinks here. You can normally get Snapple for $1 anywhere else. I'm sad that they went to the plastic and not the glass and didn't keep the glass, but hey, I'm sure they have their reasons, right? Lemonade. You guys see this Tropicana lemonade that retails for at least $3 to $4 in the regular retail store. 52 fluid ounces, only 99 cents. Crunchy caramel. Not a big fan of caramel popcorn unless it's mixed with cheese popcorn. Then you've got me hooked. 99-cent bag from the, what is that? Whose brand is that? You guys know that brand because they make Takis and all that good stuff. They also make flavored popcorn, and that is one of the flavored popcorns that they make. Very good. You guys see the coconut water? I had this in my last 99-cent store. 100% coconut water, 99 cents for this 16.5 fluid ounce. You guys see this 16 count cherry Jolly Rancher Pop-Tarts? Value pack, $1.99 for this box. This box easily retails for $8 or more. Only $1.99. Bananas, I believe the bananas were only 47 cents a pound. So there's bananas. This chili. On sale at a grocery store, you might can get them for like 10 for 10 for Kroger. If they're not on sale, they're easily $2.30 a piece. Only 99 cents. So we stocked up on that because you guys know it's cold when it's. For some reason, I'm not having a hard time finding sweet condensed milk at the 99-cent store, but they actually had some, so I got 2 of them. I make a really good drink with these. Called a Brazilian limeade. Excuse me, guys. Dad's cooking, and I think the grease is really hot and it's kind of smelly. But anyway. 99 cents a piece for these. They normally run for like $2 in the regular grocery store. You guys know we keep our chocolate hazelnut spread for 99 cents. Our lunch size apples, 1 bag, is $1.99. They're kind of keeping up with the oranges as well for $1.99. They had the pears once or twice, as you can see in the other video. I hope that wasn't muffled for the last like 5 minutes because my hand might have been over the microphone, so sorry about that. They didn't have pears this time, but we did get a bag of oranges and our bag of apples for $1.99. You guys know we keep the noodles on hand to snack on. The cup noodles they have for $3.99. Excuse me, for 3 for 99 cents, and then the packs are 5 for 99 cents. Okay, stick with me because follow my hand because there's so much going on to where you're like, oh my God, what's that? What's that? What's that? Because I know it's a lot going on. The drinks, you guys know I love the flavored water. These retail for $3 in the regular grocery store. They were only 99 cents. So I had 3 little boys, so I buy 3 of them now. Regular size cinnamon frosted flakes. These retail for $3 or more in the grocery store. Only 99 cents a box. Teddy Grahams, Outdoor Discovery, the honey ones, 99 cents for that box. Like I said, the noodles were 3 for $1. I came across this, the Kasbah Authentic Grains. This is a falafel mix. I'm so excited about this. So excited about this. And to introduce this to my family. You guys, if you follow us on Instagram or follow me on Instagram right here, you guys know I like introducing new and fun and different foods to my family. And it's normally pretty funny. And the falafel is one of them. It tastes really good. I think my husband's eaten falafel before. Maybe a long time ago. But anyway, I'm sure this is going to retail you a good $4 or more in a regular grocery store. It was only 99 cents. This is a seasoning. You just mix with the chickpeas. And then you get your falafel, right? These little balls here. Okay. Gerber Puffs for the little one. And oddly, our 6-year-old likes these as well. Only 99 cents. The teriyaki, these run for $2 or more. Most grocery stores, 99 cents for these. I prefer these noodles over the ramen. But however, with them being, you guys know how they eat here. $1, 5 for $1. You do the math, right? As long as everything in moderation, okay? I'm also excited about this broccoli and cauliflower with turmeric ready to drink soup. How convenient is this for you busy on the go people like me? You see that USDA organic? It looks good on the bottle, but that's a different, conversation for a different day. Anyway, really excited about that. If you want to see reviews on the new things or the what am I trying to say right now? Or just on things that I'm excited about, or just on things that I'm excited about when I do my 99-cent store shopping and hauls, let me know. And I would probably start doing that, like 99-cent store favorites for the month or something like that, because guys know that I do a 99-cent store only video every week, okay? So stay posted for those, and that's what's coming up. So moving on, you guys know I've been slightly addicted and happy with the whole Maxwell iced coffee Max. My favorite is the antioxidant. Caramel, 99 cents a piece. These are very new. I don't think I've even seen those in regular. Yeah, I did. I've seen them in Kroger. This giant thing of ketchup. We don't eat very much ketchup, so a bottle like this takes us a long, long way. Heinz, this is easily going to retail you anywhere between $5 and $9. 99 cents for this. 99 cents for the On the Border salsa con queso. 99 cents for the Godiva. The Gavalia. Almond milk. That's what got me right here. The iced coffee with almond milk. I was like, okay, wait a minute. Y'all know how I am about my almond milk. Trying to make better food choices when it comes to animal products and chemical and byproducts and all those things. So one step at a time, right? One step at a time, guys. Anyway, sorry, 99 cents for that as well. My son really likes queso, so he got him some queso. Excuse me, tomato sauce, not queso, guys. Sorry. Chips and salsa. That's what he really loves. And 99 cents for the full size medium picante sauce. Family pack. Crackers, Toll House crackers that go with everything. This is going to retail you easily $6-7 in a regular grocery store, only $1.99. All of the bread products, bagels, your thin sandwiches, and your 4-pack crackers, 99 cents a piece, okay? Oh, excuse me. They did just go up on the bagels. Most things that are not 99 cents are going to have a sticker like this on it with the price. And normally if it doesn't have a sticker with an alternate price, it is 99 cents or lower, okay? So let's get on back here. Organic applesauce, no sugar added, okay? Treetop. I normally don't buy my children things like this because they are compact, loaded with all kind of toxins and sugars. No sugar added. The sugar content was okay for me. Organic. Treetop is a pretty well-known brand, which it doesn't have to be, but you can't go wrong with an 8-pack for 99 cents. Once again, cereal. Regular size box of Rice Krispie Treat cereal, even though it says spring, it is not out of date. 99 cents for each box of cereal. I'm going to go back this way and go to the Campbell Skillets. Creamy Pesto Chicken. These bags retail for $3 or more in the regular grocery store unless it's on sale. But it's never on sale for 99 cents. 99 cents a pack there. They're keeping up with the Organic Image chicken broth. They have one that's low sodium and a regular one. I got low sodium this time, got 2 of those. 99 cents a piece. Let's skip on over here because you guys know I like to try my wines from the 99. Cookies and cream Moscato. That just sounded interesting. Why not? This I'm pretty intrigued with, the semi-sweet cherry wine. I believe these were anywhere from $2.99 and $3.99 a piece. I have gotten multiple wines from the 99-cent store that were $2.99, $3.99 originally when I purchased them, and then a month later, 3-4 weeks later, it's in a grocery store for $12, $15. One of them even went up to $22. So in a regular retail store. So as you guys see, the 99-cent store is kind of just like, you know, the throw it out there, see where we go with this. So you can get really great products, really great value, really great buys for a really great dollar. You can sustain your family, having good food, good things you need at a good price. If you don't know if you have these videos to share the treasures that I find and that what I use and do to sustain my family, and pretty much just as helpful hints and helpful videos for you guys, to where if you see something that you want, you need, hey, we all need to save our best dollar. Even if you have $1,000, saving $900 of those dollars is still a good thing. So sustain your family at the best bottom dollar. Find a 99-cent store. And if you just enjoy watching people buy things, I hope you enjoy these videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do enjoy these videos and want to see more of these videos, hit that subscribe button down there and then the bell. That way you won't miss one video. We won't miss each other. And then you could possibly come upon some of the things that you enjoy while enjoying my channel and my family and all the things that I share on my channel. Okay? And all the videos and everything that I share on my channel. Until next time, guys, like I always say, hey, life is one day at a time. It's not promised to anyone. Take it one day at a time. Be good to each other. Be good to yourself. Fill your cup. Take care of yourself. Love yourself. Fill your cup so it can runneth over. And what runneth over will flow to everyone else. All right? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to leave comments down. The communication line's open. And until next time, or you can just thumbs up the video. If you just like the video, just shoot it. Just click the thumbs up button. It all helps, okay? Until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Ciao.